So we're working on that third column, the right now column. And here's what it contains. Our 1-year numerical targets, our 1-year goals, our top company goals, and our parking lot. Let me explain those. Our first category in the right now column is 1-year targets. So this is easy because you're just using the same categories that you chose for your 5-year numerical targets. You've already got the categories chosen. You've already put your guesses in as to what the numbers are around those categories. Now, all you have to do is just say, what are your numerical goals for this year? So they just cascade down. So say, okay, if that's where we want to be in 5 years, what part of that do we need to accomplish this year? And put that number down. Just ask yourself, are they moving you towards hitting your 5-year numbers? Because they're just cascading down. See, it's quite easy now. You've thought of all the categories. Now you just have to fill in your 1-year numbers. So do the math. What part do you need to achieve this year? Now, take your 1-page plan template and just fill in your numerical targets for this year. It's really easy. It's the top category on the far right-hand column of your 1-page plan.